Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see, we did Windows 11 yesterday. So today I'm back, but Windows 11, we're not covering that anymore. We are here with Debian 11. Yes. So now, today I'll be actually talking about Debian 11. So firstly, I'm just gonna go and choose my Debian Bullseye 11 image. Yeah. Okay, then you're gonna just start the VM up. This is a fresh install. Okay. Just gonna make this full screen, and we're also gonna set the viewing to 300. Okay, way better. So as you can see here, we can we're gonna just capture this. We can install it different ways. With the graphical install, you can use it that way. So I'm just gonna use graphical install because it's easier and it's easier for other people, for you all to see as well. Okay, so now we're just gonna continue first. We're gonna just press enter. Yes, the American keyboard mapping. Okay, so now we are just gonna wait for this to finish. It's gonna take a very short amount of time. It's gonna be faster than the Windows one. It's Linux. It's great, and my mouse also has a way better control. So we're just gonna let this take it. It's fast. It's really setting up the Wi-Fi. Everything is doing itself because I'm using Ethernet as well. So yeah. Okay, so we are just gonna stick with the host name as. We're gonna stick it as Debian. We're gonna skip this part and we are gonna let it configure the network, and we do not want a root password. A name for the user, Quirky. Okay. Perfect. Username for account Quirky. Okay, then we're also gonna have to type it in here. 3456, and we're just gonna continue. The simplest password. So we're just gonna continue. The time zone is Eastern, and it's detecting all this, as you can see on top as well. I forgot to mention, sorry. It's Debian 11, and yes, you're just gonna use the guided disk here. If I'm not wrong, this shouldn't be the graphical interface installation, but this is just a normal one. But yeah, as you can see here, we have it really all partitioned. We're just gonna finish the partitioning here. And yes, you want to write to the disk. If not, it won't, write the files. So yes, this should take a while. It's installing the base system, as you can see on top. And Debian 11 pretty much similar to the previous install, but I don't know what much I can show you because it's not the graphical interface. But yeah, as you can tell, it's Debian 11. So yesterday we already did Microsoft 11. They did a decent amount of changes. I mean, find it decent at least. Anyways, we put that in the past. We have Debian 11 right in front of us. So we're just gonna let it install first. Give it a moment. Okay, install. Yeah, it installs its own packages, and yeah. And then if you guys don't know, probably you guys know, but the package managers for Debian is actually apt. So as you can see here, we have the Bullseye official snapshot for this. Okay, we don't need to actually, but we will just scan for additional media just in case. Replace it now. Yeah, it's the same thing. We're just gonna there's nothing much to scan. It's only that one. So yeah, just gonna choose the United States. And we cannot use this way. We have to choose Singapore for this because just gonna continue. We have to use the Debian one, and we don't have any proxies for this, so this should work. If it doesn't, we'll choose another domain. Not domain, but the mirror links. This should just take a while. It should be done. Okay, this works. The previous time for me it didn't because my location was wrong and it didn't really work. So let's see what this one will do. Okay, we can just allow them to do a survey, I guess. Continue. You're gonna install. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Because of that, now this one has the interface. You're gonna go with KDE Plasma, and we might want SSH just in case. So we're just gonna continue. Let this install. I did install Debian 10 once. This process took practically forever, but I don't know about this one. You wait. Okay. Wait. Okay, never mind. I'll speed up this process. By the time you're done, I'll be back when this thing is done. Okay. Okay guys, for this part it's done. So now we are just gonna configure display manager. I have absolutely no clue what this stands for, but I know this is display manager or GD. I know the first one. The second one I have no clue, so I'm just gonna choose the first one. I mean, first one, second one, I don't really know any of them. So yeah, we are just gonna let this part run again, and it's gonna be another yeah. Okay, time lapse. Yes, the word time lapse. Yeah. So enjoy. Okay, that's a problem. This failed a bit. So okay, we just have to see. We're just gonna okay, we're just gonna select install. We're just gonna do what they want us to do. Okay. Try running the again. Skip to choose something else. The failing step is select and install. So we are just gonna have to configure the package manager again, I guess. Okay, continue this step. Use non-free software. No, we are just gonna use a free one because why not? Continue this. Please choose whether you want yes. Yes, maybe that's a problem. Oh, it depends on the non-free. But I didn't choose non-free, so this probably shouldn't be enable. Continue enable apt. Yes, you have to enable apt-get. Yeah, I'm gonna get the release updates as well, just in case. And we're also gonna get the port software. Debian 11 is gonna kill me. You know, never mind. We are just gonna skip the select and install software for some reason. It doesn't work. What? I'm confused now. Okay, what will work actually? Sorry, let me see what's wrong. We will repartition the disk first, since okay. If you plan on using already created files with systems, no, we are not gonna continue the installations. It reads the files, so we are just gonna we have to what? Confused. Yeah, never mind. We're just going to have to redo this part. I feel like this never works on first try. Yes, we're gonna continue. Let me do it. Detecting. No, it detects it. So we're just gonna have to screenshot this, I guess. Okay, so just takes a screenshot. We're gonna go how on partitioning. Okay, how do you go to menu? Sorry, you see, Debian is. Let's just say not an easy thing. We're just gonna continue. I'm gonna say no, but it brings me back here. So I'm just gonna go back. Okay, we can try to reinstall the software. Try to run the VLAN and then skip it and choose something else. Okay, I'll choose something else then, I guess. We're gonna install the grub bootloader. Okay, I guess you have to partitioning the disk. I choose yes and the partitioning doesn't work. Confusion. Let's just continue with our bootloader. And installations that went wrong. Let's finish the installation. Okay, so we know there's this problem here. We're gonna do the first step. We use the entire disk. We are just gonna choose the first one and all files recommended for users. We're just gonna finish partitioning. Yes, right to this is. Okay, we're gonna install the grub bootloader now, and installation step fail. Okay, why? Can we execute a shell actually? That might work better. Okay, system files with RAM disk. Okay. You see what does this do? Yeah, we're just gonna do help and see what are the inbuilt comments we have. That only. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna go back. I don't think this is actually gonna help. Continue and no installer. I'm quite sure the installer is not the problem because I got the installer from the official website. Yes, network time protocol. Yes, continue. Yeah, installing the base system no longer works, right? No, it still works. So yeah, installing the base system does work. But the 8 gigs was a new drive, right? Okay, guys, this is not a problem I can fix now. I would have to go back and think more about why Debian 11 would not install, and we'll have to just make a part 2 for this, okay? So, sorry guys if you're really wanting to see Debian 11. Sorry, I guess not today because I really can't get the installation media to work, so I'm probably gonna have to go and troubleshoot what's wrong. Yeah, I mean, it's mostly working because I already have it, but yeah, we might just see through this process again because Debian 11, it's in beta if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's just a new release, so I don't really expect it to work out of the box. And after all, they did say that was erratas that the rescue. Yeah, some of the problems. I'm just gonna go to the Linux image while I continue talking. Yeah, okay, it still fails. Anyways, I'm reading currently off their website, so you can not see here, but sorry, give me a moment. Yeah, never mind. I'll just read it out. Okay. Yes. If I'm not wrong, I installed GNOME. So yes, if GNOME does fail to start up, so I did try installing GNOME, the display but manager. Not display manager. Sorry, but yeah, GNOME may fail. AMD GPUs require firmware for AMD graphics cards as well. So yeah, I'm using AMD GPU, but technically I didn't do pass through, so it should be fine. But yeah, these are some of the problems for this release of Debian 11. So I have to go back, see how I can fix it, whether it's a problem with the kernel, probably not the kernel, probably with Linux, but I mean Debian. But yeah, for now, this is the most I can do. I'm gonna go and try fixing this not able to installation step fail problem, okay? Because if you guys know how to fix this, I would be very thankful if you could leave how to do it in the comments. But for now, I guess this is the most I can do, so I'm gonna go back and do some research. Okay, but still, I thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me throughout this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for part 2. Thank you. Bye bye.